I'm eating crackers right now. And so it is 12:23 p.m. a.m. Now I'm gonna help my friends. I'm back and say hi to you two guys. Oh God. Nope, that's the person I helped right there. The thing that I just ran into, yeah. He's my friend. My friend. I just helped him kill Cerberus because I can kill him in one hit. And yeah, I'm getting some help by my friends here, like Bluey and stuff. I don't know if this wild wolf is my friend or nothing, but I'll show you my friends. These are my friends, the ones that are like right here. The yellow ones are not my friends, but the ones that are yellow, over like the white ones on the left side are not my friends, but the yellow ones are my friends, and on the right side, the yellow ones I could add as my friend, but the gray ones on the right side I already added as my friend. You can see my friend list right here. Can't get off of this once you get on, can you? Nope. Probably gonna have to get off and get back on. Nope. Gonna have to go all the way back because I want to go to the friend. I forgot the most important thing about this game. Gotta press okay, so you guys, hold on, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Okay, this might take me a while, so I'm gonna pause this. So guys, if you tap right here, like somewhere between like right here on the snout, Wolf Online, if you have it, you can find a secret like right here in this area, probably in that area, but that's where it's like growling right here, somewhere right there. You can find it, secret, and I'll show you which secret I'm talking about. This is a secret. Field, fish, lava, mountain, snow, wild guardian. I don't know what the disconnect means. Yeah, that's the one weird thing about this game. Dang, it just popped my leg. Well, that doesn't get. I'm gonna go to local this time. I want to see what happens. I mean, I think this puts you on new servers. I have no idea. I lost my case to this tablet. No. Right now it's dark. Yeah, see? Other people have been here before, and there was like one person named Annie. She's not she wasn't going or anything because she just got on the game. But now when I choose to local, she ain't here anymore. So yeah. See that cute girl? Yeah. Like, fire female and stuff. They just want to have boys on see, we both have cool names, but we don't want anyone. We just want to be alone. We don't want to be bothered, probably. Watch. See how it, whenever you're little, it always takes you time to kill a big thing like this? Well, watch. One hit kill. I know. How is that possible? I have no idea. There's another one. You see that blue thing? Oh. See this rhino? Oh, I just killed a chicken, but... Oh my god, why does everything I killed turn into infinity? I killed other things, and then I'm gonna kill you? Infinity, wow. I'm gonna try to kill this chicken. If I kill it, infinity, wow. I'm gonna go to combat field. As you can see, this rattling, it's my, crackers. I ain't gonna eat them for this video, but yeet. And see, oh shoot, what have I got myself into? What have I got myself into? I can't run at all. Help me, my god. I'm getting off right now. I don't know what that was, but it just looked funny, like they were all grouping up on others, and it looked scary. I don't know why I'm laughing though. I believe I can fly. I believe. Oh, did I just get stuck? I think I did. Wow. Oh god, what is this? What is this? Yep, I got stuck. I'm a hip cramp. Oh god. Did I just say I'm a hip cramp? I don't know. I keep on hearing that word or something like else that sounds like it on like Donald Trump things. And so I'm like, maybe I can say like hypocrite or something. Like I'm a hypocrite making fun of it and stuff. I'm gonna see if it still does it. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, guess it was a mod or something. Probably happening at my place or something. But how are pigs only 9% of levels? Or something. No, I don't want to eat the pig. Zombie pigmans and I just kill these for fun. Okay, you know what? No, I didn't mean to hit that. I haven't been to Arcane River in a long time, and I know I don't ever want to go there because it's boring. I'm just gonna go to Black Tiger. I went here on World, and there was no tiger. So if you guys can explain why. One time I killed the tiger, and then, you know what? Second time when I went there, I waited an hour, no tiger. No tiger at all. So if you can explain that, then I would appreciate it because you guys, I ain't that smart. I'm only in like 5th grade and stuff. I'm only 10 years old. Birthday isn't even in school. It's only like a Sunday or Saturday. Jesus, I never get any support on my birthday. Like, no one even comes to my birthday because I can't even make friends. I don't know why. But now we shouldn't even be talking on this. But look, frick. If you go up here, why am I so fast anyways? Wait, is this the right? No. Keep on climbing up hills. So if you go up here, there's this game called Deer Online or something, where you can play as a deer, and it's like very hard to do since you're like slow as heck. You go up here to meet a freaking unicorn. I don't know why, but it's dumb. They use like the same maps to put in other maps. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Oh my god, I'm Spider-Wolf. You know in that one movie, Spider-Man, where I don't know if it's out yet, but where they meet like the different Spider-Man and stuff. It's crazy, right? Yeah, I know. You guys probably wish you could see it if it ain't out yet. I do too. I wish I could see it because they have a spider pig. I don't know why I want to see the spider pig, but yeah. am never going to Wild Guardian again because you know why, guys? I keep on going into the void. I keep on glitching to the void. If you guys have that problem, what the fuck? Are you guys hearing that? Stopped. Well, if you guys have problems with Wild Guardian, with you falling into the void, then you guys should probably tell the developer or something if you can get contact to them, because this keeps on happening and I never get to go to Wild Guardian and defeat it. And if you can contact the developer, tell him to take off all the mods, because people need to play Wolf Online fairly and equally, and they can't just like literally kill others instantly, because that's not fair at all, and you don't get to live at all, and you can't play fairly or nothing. That's one thing that's a problem to the game. I'm going to turn on my light because it's starting to get scary in here. And shoot. Yes, here. So, yeah. So, I don't make videos. Oh, shoot. Well, I'll make a part 2 of this, but what I was going to say is I don't make videos much. But if you want to see the hamster thing, I might make it on a school day because my friend ain't coming over this week. So, yeah, I might make it on a school day. I have to whisper because it's a school day today. Because if you're wondering why I'm saying today, is because it's already 8 a.m. and I gotta go to sleep. So, bye.